In this tutorial, we are going to take half of this assembly and actually start a new assembly and combine the two together to our full upholstered stool. So first off, I'm just going to go to new, and from new, I'm going to go to another assembly. And in this assembly this time, we're going to go place, and we're going to take our half stool. See, I still spelled it wrong. And we're going to put two of them together. Okay, so we're going to start with this, and then this is the grounded one because this is the one that can't move, and this is the not grounded one. Okay, so we're going to build off of this one, and we're going to create or bring in three of the cross rails. So I'll do this, and we go 1, 2, 3 for right now. Okay, so first one, let's start with the center one down below. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this rail here, and we're going to put it basically across here. So constrain, once again, we're going to take this top surface, and that top surface go together. That's the wrong way, so we'll flip it. We'll go apply. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this surface here, and I'm going to move it around and grab this surface here. And you can do that, and I'm going to run it the other way to zoom out here. I'm going to go the other way for something to do. Okay, apply. Now I'm going to cancel this and show you something. So I want to find the center of this. A couple ways of doing this, okay? One is we can do some math, right, until we find the center. The other one is if I actually go right now up to here, and I go to the side rails, and actually let's just see if I can go, let's go to the side rails, and let's just see this, which one is this one? So we do, that's the right one. Okay, so I can turn on this plane here, okay, and you can see when I turn this plane on, I'm going to right mouse click, and no, I can't go visibility. So that's the plane that's dead center on this rail. Now if I go to this part, okay, and I come down the bottom, and I take this one, and I go to origin, and I go to here, right there. Now the thing with this is if you look, it's actually, we didn't center that plane itself to one side. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to right mouse click on this part, go open. This is really simple. Go back to the extrusion, double click it. Okay, and all we got to do right here is go symmetrical. Okay, and now the plane, I don't know if you can see that, but basically the plane now is in the center. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to hit save. Okay, now what I can do is go back to this assembly and go constrain, and I'm going to take this center one, because now it's in the center. Okay, and you can see it if I zoom in now. You can see it's in the center. And I'm going to come up to this one, and I'm going to take this one. Oops, sorry, this one right here. And as soon as I click it, watch what happens. It clicks into place, except my computer shows some screwy, so there we go. Okay, so there's now in the center. I didn't have to do any math. All I had to do was think about where the planes are when I drew this. So a lot of times it's nice to actually, put planes in the center right away. But you can always go back and open and do something. So there's that one in place. Okay, which means if I was to do these ones, okay, I can now just go constrain, and once again, go to the top, right, opposite way, hit apply. Okay, then I'm going to go this end here to this end here, and I'm going to reverse it, go apply, and by the way, I'm just going to come over here and go shading with edges so you can see this a bit better. And then again, what I do is I find that one, right, and that's not that one, so let's just close that one up. And let's close this one up because that's not the same one anymore. So what I can do is come into here, and let's just hit cancel once. So if I click on this part, this is this one. Okay, so we know, and then there's the origin of that one. And this is the leg. Okay, now this time what I got to do is I actually got to find the leg. So I'm going to go to this guy here, and I'm going to find the leg. It's probably this, there's that leg. And I'm going to go to origin, and that's that one there. There it is there. Okay, now this time I'm just going to, no, I still can't turn it on. Alright, so it's that one right there. So we got that one open, and we know down here it's that cross rail. So what we're going to do is go back to constrain, and we're going to take this, and we're going to come down here, and we're going to take that one, and you can see they pop together. And click apply, and then we'll just go and do the same thing for over this one. Okay, so constrain, we want the top of this right here, and let's grab one of these sides, doesn't really matter which one. We know it's the wrong way, so we flip it, apply, and you get the drill here now. You're getting good at this. Okay, pick this end. Kind of hard to do this. There we go. That looks like it's the wrong way, so we flip it around. And once again, we have to go and find that cross rail. So it's probably cross rail number 3. So we'll go find cross rail number 3 in the origin. And let's see, is it this one? We're just going to cancel out of this. Oops, I just went and did that. I should have hit apply first. So let's first go and constrain that one, hit apply. That's why I couldn't do it. So hit that one there, that one there. That's the right way. Apply. Now what I got to do is go in and find. Let's just hit cancel. Okay, so that's the bottom one. That's why it wasn't working. It's actually cross rail number 1. So let's just do this one. Let's do this one. No, that's cross rail number 1. Or that's side rail, I should say. Not inside rails. What am I doing? That's my problem. We should be in cross rail right down here. That's cross rail number 3, cross rail number 2. So it's cross rail number 1. There we go. So it's going to be this guy here, right there. So we're just going to highlight that one right now. And up here, it's not going to be leg 1. It's going to be leg 2. Options, and it's going to be that one there. So we're just going to constrain. We picked that one already, and then all we got to do is pick that one, and there you go. And once again, I'm kind of messed up, so we got to hit 0 on mine, apply. Okay, so we're almost done. We got those halves together. Now the last thing is just putting this half on, which is a lot simpler because you just got to constrain this way. Pick that surface there. Pick this surface here. Got to put 0 on mine. Apply. So those ones are done. Pick top and top. That one should be 0 again on mine. Hit apply. And then the last one is we just got to find the right planes. So to find the right planes, I mean right now I can hit cancel and this moves back and forth. So I'll just move it off to the side. And this is the wrong part. Okay, so we'll close that one up. So this is going to be actually over, close all this up. This is going to be this half stool. And probably I'm taking a guess at this leg here. That's the leg there. That's the wrong leg. So we want leg 1. No, that's still the wrong one. So this is leg 2, I should say. Origin. No, I'm still on the wrong one. Hang on. We got to go half bar to here. Oops, there we go. Because I'm down on this one. And then leg 1. Let's see. Doesn't matter which leg it is actually. There we go. So we want that plane right there. And then on the cross rails, that's the wrong cross rail. So we'll just zoom up like this. Come down, cross rail 2. There we go. Now we're getting warmer here. And it's going to be that one right there. So we just hit constrain. That guy's already picked. And then we grab this one right here. And there we go. And that shouldn't be off. That should be there. So click apply. I know this has been a long tutorial. And basically there is my assembled bar stool or upholstered stool. And then we will continue on in the next tutorial with starting to add corner blocks and making corner blocks, rounding the corners and putting a top on. And this ends this tutorial.